Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to run scripts on multiple image files. Previously recorded scripts can be played and applied to multiple files at once with the batch processing feature of TwistedBrush Pro Studio. It can be very useful if you need to resize or crop multiple image files to apply filters or solutions. In this video we will apply frames to a number of images. First, open a new page from the Page Explorer. Select the script player item in the record menu. Select a script from the list. In this case we will choose Frame Traditional Small, Random. You can add scripts to the list by recording them with the script recorder or by importing pre-recorded scripts with the Import button. The Frame Traditional Small script, for example, has been imported here from the Solutions folder from the TwistedBrush Pro Studio folder located in Program Files. After selecting the script, press the Batch button. A confirmation message that the current page will be deleted will appear. Confirm by selecting OK button or abort with the Cancel button. Click the Select File Directory button to select the folder where the image files reside. Press the Start button to start the batch processing. Before the batch processing starts you will receive one more confirmation dialog giving you the opportunity to abort if needed. Every image file will be processed in the selected folder and your original files will be overwritten. Click OK to continue. When the processing is finished, the Start button will become active again. We can see that frames have been applied to all images in the folder.